Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply Sepia matrix filter to a live recording of video using CameraX in Flutter Android application with Media 3 effect. So let's get started. Now the app is still building, so let's get started with the code. Before I start with the code, there are few caveats which you need to remember. First is you need to use at least Flutter 3.32.0 or higher, otherwise you will face lot of Gradle issues when you try to run the application. And second is the code which I have written related to camera is all native code. So yeah, I'm not using any third-party library, and there is one minor issue which I couldn't really figure it out. So once the video has been recorded with Sepia matrix filter, I'm storing the video to external storage, but this is all operation is done on native side, right? So once I'm sending the video URL to play the video on a video player, so for video player I'm using the third-party package from pub.dev, but it doesn't really work. I face lot of issues while running the video. So yeah, that particular part is not working, so sorry about that. So first let me show you guys the output. Here you can see that I have this. I'll just first give the camera permission, so I'll just give the camera permission over here. I'll give the record audio permission over here as well, and here you can see that I have this camera preview. So I have applied the Sepia matrix filter to this. So I'll just move my camera over here. So everything is native code. I'll just click on the record video button, so it will start the recording. It is recording my audio as well. So here you can see I'm just moving my device over here. Then I can just click on this stop button, and it will stop the recording for me. So the video has been saved to external storage as well. Here you can see the toast message, and this is the video player. Like I said, I'm not able to play the video. I don't know what's wrong, if the video URL which I'm sending is wrong, because when I do this in native code it works fine, but the video URL is captured in a the video URL is typically something like content : / right? So in native Android, Exo player easily understands it, but in Flutter, given that I am not using Exo player, the video player package maybe behind the scene might use Exo player, but yeah, I don't know, it is not able to recognize it. Yeah, anyways, like some of you might say, why can't we use Exo player as well over here? Yeah, so you can do that, but I don't want to overcomplicate this tutorial, that's why. But oh sorry, one more thing, just to show it, prove it to you that the video has been saved. So here is our video player, okay, which is not playing. I'll show you the error message as well later on what I was facing. But if I go to the videos app, here you can see the video has been saved. It is recording my audio as well. So here you can see I'm just so there is something problem with the video player package, or the way I'm sending the video. I don't know what's exactly is the issue, but if you are able to figure it out, do let me know in the comments. So yeah, let's get started. So here I have created a Flutter application. Here is our main.dart. So here I import dart.io. Then here I have created another dart file called my camera view. So here is the package name, my project name called Flutter app. That's why I'm using it over here. You will have to write your own project name. Then we import material.dart as well as services.dart. Then here we just this is boilerplate code which is present by default, so I have not touched any of this. So yeah, then here we just create this my home page that I have just refactored it. So it is a stateful widget. Then here, like again I said, we are only doing it for Android, right? So by default the camera permission is false. Even the camera permission I'm doing it via native code. So we have created a method channel for requesting the camera permission, and inside the init state method, if platform is Android, then we just call this method called get camera permission. So if you see the get camera permission method, here we invoke a method called get camera permission, and if the result is true, we just set the variable value to as true in is permission granted. Okay, then inside the else clause we just say camera permission denied, and inside on platform exception as well we log the error message. Then inside build, if permission is granted, then we display our camera view, otherwise we display a text called give camera permission. Then here is our my camera view.dart. So again, before that, inside pubspec.yaml I have added this video player dependency as well as chibi dependency. Inside my camera view I have imported dart.io, material, services, video player as well as chibi. Then here we have the stateful widget. Here we create a method channel of camera view. Now this will be used for sending the video URL path of the save video. But again, I don't know whether the video URL path is wrong or the way I am using video player is wrong. So here I have created a variable for that as well. Then here is our video player controller. Here is our Chibi controller as well. Creation params is basically used for sending data from Flutter to native Android, but I'm not really using it over here. Inside dispose, we just dispose our controller as well as Chibi controller. Then here we have this build method. If platform is Android and video URL is not equal to empty, then we display this Chibi player. Okay, Chibi is basically for adding the play pause button and all that control stuff to our video player. Otherwise, we display this Android view, and the Android view will basically display your camera as well as record video button. Then here for all other platform, we are just displaying a placeholder. Then here we get a callback once our camera is visible. So here we just do channel.set method call handler passing handle method. Okay, and here we do call.method. Case is sent from native. Here we get the video URL of the saved video. Okay, then once we do that, we just initialize our controller, add a listener, set looping, we initialize this. I have tried using something like this as well using the file, but again it was not working for me. And then we just set the video URL equal to text. All this is done inside the set state. Okay, now like I was telling you, this is the error which I'm getting once I try to play the video. But yeah, I don't know why this is not working out. Yeah, if you know, do let me know in the comments. But anyways, this video is not about playing the video, it is about how to record the video with Sepia matrix, which is working absolutely fine. Then you need to go to the Android folder, you need to go to app. Okay, go to build.gradle.kts, and here inside dependency you need to add Android X camera core, then Android X camera 2, Android X camera lifecycle, Android X camera view, Android X camera video. Then here you need to add Android X media 3 effect, which is still in alpha at the time of me recording, but if it does become stable, make sure you use the stable version. Then Android X media 3 effect. Then here we use the constraint layout as well. Then you need to go to src main Android manifest.xml. Here you need to add uses feature of Android hardware camera, then the camera permission, write external storage permission, and the record audio permission. Then you need to go to main activity.kt. Firstly, you need to add just show it to you, you need to add all these imports. Okay, then here we create a variable for getting camera as well as record audio permission. Hopefully I have shown you this. Yeah, these are all the permissions required. Okay, yeah, and I have also shown you this, right? So dependencies one. So here we have variable where we ask the camera record audio permission, Android version less than equal to p. We also use the write external storage permission. Here is our method channel result. Here we override on request permission result if request code is equal to this, and if all permissions are granted, then we just do method channel dot success as true, else we pass it as false. This is just a helper method just to check whether all permissions was granted or not. Then here we override the configure Flutter engine method, where we first register our view, which will display the camera as well as record or like record screen or record video button. So here we are referencing another Kotlin file which I will show you shortly, and here we have created method channel for giving the camera permission. So once you call the camera permission and user accepts it, the callback comes over here. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now here we have this my camera view factory, right? So we have to create a Kotlin file called my camera view factory. Now this should be your own package name. To get your package name, you can just come to main activity, and whatever you see over here, you will have to write your package name over here. Don't write my package name, it will not work for you. Then rest everything you can just copy paste it. These are all the imports, and this is boilerplate code which you have to write every single time you want to embed a native Android view inside Flutter application. So don't worry too much about it, even if you don't understand it. Even I don't understand it. So yeah, this is all the code there is. So hopefully you pause the video and just copy the code, and here you can see we are referencing another Kotlin file called my camera view. So here we have this my camera view.kt, and here we again this is our package name. So here we add all these imports. So yeah, feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports that are there. Then here we first get hold of our video capture. Then here is our recording. Then this is our process camera provider. Here is our camera executor service. Then we define our constraint layout, our preview view as well as our button. Then this is the method channel. Then here we have the file name format as well as the tag. Then here we define the layout params, assign it to constraint layout. We create a constraint set as well. Then we constrain the viewfinder to all sides of the screen, but from the bottom we leave a margin of 200. Then same for our this is for the viewfinder, the preview view. Okay, basically the camera preview which we see. Then here is our button as well. We constrain it to the bottom of the screen. Then we do constraint set dot apply, passing it to our constraint layout. When we add a click listener to our button by passing the capture video. Then here we call setup camera as well. Then we just call start camera. We initialize our camera executor. And here inside capture video, if video capture is not equal to null, we return. Then here we just do button dot is enabled as false. Here we get hold of our recording. If it is not equal to null, we stop it and make it as null. Then we create a simple date format. This is just a name. Then we do content values dot apply, passing in the display name MIME type. If Android version greater than P, we also set the relative path. Then here we also set the media store output options by passing the builder as well as content values. And here we do video capture dot output, prepare our recording, check whether the audio permission was granted or not. Here we start our recording. Once it is started, we get this event, so we just change the text of our button. And once you stop the recording, if there are no error, we display the toast message. And here you can see this is the URI which we get. So here you can see, but this is in form of content : / which is not actually a URI. It can be played only by XO player, which then I copied the video to our app cache, and then I'm sending the URL back to Flutter side over here. But this is also not working. I don't know why. I have tried sending this part as well, just this part, still it is not working. I don't know why. Then here we shut down our executor. We unbind our camera provider. We just do recording dot close and make our recording equal to null. And here inside our button dot apply, we just change the text as well as is unable to true. Then here we do copy video to app cache again. I don't know if there is an issue with this or what, but this is how I'm storing it. Then this is the start camera. So we get our process camera provider dot get instance. Then here is our camera provider. Here we build our preview view. Here we build our recording as well, and here we build our video capture. Then we get hold of our camera selector. Then we do use case group dot builder, add our preview use case as well as video capture. Then here is our media 3 effect as well. Then this is how we apply Sepia matrix. Now all these values I have just copied it from documentation. Even I don't understand it much, but yeah, these are, you can play around with these values. And here we pass the RGB matrix to it. Then we just do use case group builder dot add effect media 3 effect. We unbind our camera provider, we bind it to the life cycle. Then here we override our get view, returning our constraint layout, and inspired dispose, we just shut down our camera executor. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.